As of my knowledge cutoff date in September 2021, the latest stable version of the C programming language is C18, which is a minor revision of the C11 standard. C18 was officially adopted as an ISO (IEC) standard in December 2018. C18 includes several new features and improvements over its predecessor C11, such as improved Unicode support. C18 includes better support for Unicode characters and string literals, including support for UTF-8 character encoding. New standard libraries. C18 introduces new standard libraries, including the library for handling Unicode characters, and the library for controlling alignment of data structures. New syntax and type checking rules. C18 includes some new syntax and type checking rules for improved safety and consistency, such as stricter type checking for function arguments and improved type checking for constant expressions. Improved diagnostics. C18 includes improved diagnostics for better error messages and warnings, making it easier to identify and fix issues in C code. Bug fixes and clarifications. C18 includes various bug fixes and clarifications to the C11 standard to improve the language's consistency and correctness. It's worth noting that while C18 is the latest official version of the C standard, not all compilers may fully support all the features of C18. It's important to consult the documentation of your specific compiler to ensure compatibility with the C18 standard when writing C code.